What's up, guys? It's your boy Mike, Hot Crypto. Yes, I am filming from a parking garage because I'm going to show you how you can earn crypto while you're driving with the new Hivemapper. The boys over at Hivemapper have sent me this brand new device for review. I got it plugged into the car. I've already tested it. It works great. Let's roll the intro. Let's roll the ad. Let me show you guys how this works.
As a crypto miner, you know you want your equipment to be high quality. Proper cable management is part of your mining rig, and the Veteran Miner has you covered. The Veteran Miner cables are created with the best materials to ensure they are of the highest quality. Our cables are made of 16 gauge tin copper, ensuring another layer of protection from oxidation and corrosion. We have different colored cables carefully crafted to suit your mining rig needs. Glued heat shrink is used to firmly secure the ends on sleeving and wires. We ensure our crimped pins are up to manufacturer specifications with our calibrated machinery. Our wires also have a non-looping design for not only a clean setup, but also for avoiding wire bending. Our cables are 100% made in the USA. The Veteran Miner is forward-thinking, always looking for new products to bring you. We support our products with a 100% guarantee. What are you waiting for? Visit our website at www.theveteranminer.com and get the best cables for your mining setup.
All right, guys, let's walk into my car here and see what the Hivemapper looks like. Let's get in. All right, here we go. All right, cool. Let's shut the door. Sweet. Now you see the Hivemapper. I mounted it center of my dashboard and I did angle it up about 20 degrees to give it a better field of view. This was recommended to me by Mr. Network Bits. Joe, thanks again for hooking me up with Hivemapper, man. I appreciate it, and thanks for the good advice. Also, if you guys have Apple CarPlay, okay, hear me out. This will not work if you're using the Wi-Fi connection. You have to use the wired connection with Apple CarPlay. So I know you see three lights here, right? You see one green, two red, right? So the first one indicates that the recorder is ready to go and the camera is working. Second one is GPS. Obviously, I don't have any signal here inside the parking garage. And the third one means that I have paused mapping for right now because obviously I'm just sitting here. So I paused it. But all three will be green once you're out on the road, and it worked flawlessly. I've had no issues. I've actually taken over 700 images already today just driving around with it, getting familiar with the device, which is really, really cool. This device also gets very hot, so be very, very careful touching the back of this where the little B is here. That's what this warning triangle is for. Be very careful touching it. It does get hot to the touch. Okay, so this is the app. When you open up the Hivemapper app, this is the first page that you'll see. You'll see a preview of your Hivemapper. Obviously, you could see here, we're in the parking garage, and you can hit start. Now, I haven't obviously hit start because I'm sitting in the garage. Bear with me, I'm using one hand. The second screen here shows you the map of your area. Now, this is pretty good. So you see the darker pink and the lighter pink, right? So the darker pink is places that have been recently photographed by other Hivemappers, and then the lighter pink are the ones that are just kind of old and need to be repictured. And then obviously you don't see any of them here and they need to be mapped, right? The buzz is pretty cool. If there's any like roadway obstructions or anything like that, you press the buzz and it'll take a picture of that said area. Also, I've learned that it's for, you know, new construction and all kinds of stuff. So if there's anything like a development that wouldn't normally be on a roadway, hit the buzz feature. Now, the third option is the balance. Now, this will show your Hive honey balance on the app already, which is really, really good. And it'll show you what you're pending. The fourth one here, this is just for settings like Hivemapper support, if you want to disconnect your wallet, and the Discord community. Now, I did allow for cellular uploads. It's right here on the top. I'm not sure if I get it in focus here, but I allowed it. I checked it off because I want them to upload it as fast as they can so I can get paid out as fast as I can. Now, another thing is you have to download this Phantom wallet. Let me move this over real quick. Okay, there we go. So you have to download the Phantom wallet. It's the only wallet right now that does integrate with the Hivemapper app. This is completely okay, not a problem. I don't mind doing it. Once you have it here, you can sell it, exchange it, do whatever you need. But this is the wallet that integrates with it, and it will prompt you to download it as well. Okay, guys, so I wanted to visit the Hivemapper website As far as pricing is concerned, I know people are having questions about how much it costs. You guys do get 10% off if you use my referral code in the description below. Make sure you check that out. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go to order now on their website here. And this is the one that I have. It's just the regular Hivemapper dashcam. Now they do have a second one where it's the Hivemapper dashcam S, and you do get security with it, which is pretty cool. And you can get like, it just does like normal dashcam behavior. You can hit the compare button here and you can see the difference. So the regular Hivemapper dashcam, the one that I have, retails for $549, and the Hivemapper S is $649. But like I said, you get 10% off with my referral link. So make sure you guys check that out. A couple of things here just to compare it. You get 4K at 10 FPS, 4K at 30 on the Hivemapper S. Very, very similar with a lot. There are Sony IMX 477 imagers on both, 12.3 megapixel resolution on both. A lot of the same stuff. Looks like the frame rate is a little bit better on the S. Again, if you're just doing it to earn some crypto, I would just stick with the regular dash cam. But if you want the S for the extra security and your car doesn't have a dash cam, then definitely get the dash cam S. So it looks like it uses the LoRaWAN. So that's there, powered by helium. Moving down here, just a bunch of different things. Now the power is a lot less on this one than it is on the S. But again, you're using more with the S, so that's how that goes. So I'm not sure if the S is out yet or ready to be delivered, but I did receive this one. It's not that big, guys, honestly. I put it in the center of the windshield and it's just fine, as you saw earlier in the video. So wanted to show you guys the website. You can go to their About Us. You can read up about them and what they're trying to do. Hivemapper.com. You guys can check it out. Quick look here for everybody. This is the Hivemapper Honey Crypto. Looks like it's up 3.74% as of shooting this video at 8:15 p.m. on April 4th, 2023. Looks pretty good. Fully diluted market cap of 154 million. Trading volume is low, but up 65%. This is what you guys get as payment for the Hivemapper. So take a look at it. You can type in honey or you can type in Hivemapper and it will show up. There's links to the website here too. Hasn't been out very long. I think if we go to all, it peaked to 32 cents back in December. Right now it is sitting at just over 1.5 cents. Market cap here is, I don't know, this must be an error here, but this is the new project, guys. They still are rolling out. Again, not financial advice, make your own decisions. Make sure you guys do your own research as well. I just wanted to kind of give you an all-around outlook on the Hivemapper and what you get for running it. All right, everyone, there you go. It's very easy. Take it out the box, download the app, get the Phantom app, mount it to the windshield, start earning some crypto. Just remember, guys, please don't obstruct your field of view, obey your traffic laws, and make sure you guys are safe when you are deploying it and or using it on the street, okay? Make sure, guys, please be safe doing this. Don't put it right in front of you. Now, I know that's kind of ridiculous to say, but I wouldn't be surprised if somebody has actually done that. Yeah, so anyway, guys, I appreciate it. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. Now, we'll see you guys on the next one. Hawk out.